Hello, it's How To Not To, and in this video I'm going to be washing my trainers. These are Skechers trainers. They are material and they aren't waterproof, so they're a bit damp at the moment and giving off a damp kind of smell. And the only way you're going to get that off is if you wash them. So today I'm going to wash them in the Samsung wash machine, and to do that I'm going to wrap them up maybe in a towel or my dressing gown to stop it from banging the drum, damaging the drum basically. So that's the best I can do. So that's the best I can do with tying up the trainers. I'm going to pop it in the drum there. Now if you are going to wash your trainers in the wash machine, you want to add further laundry as well, like maybe a heavy towel. Dressing gowns are always good so they don't bounce around in the drum. Right, I think I'll try to explain that as best I can. I'm now going to put that in the drum. I hope this works. So I'm just going to pop that in like that, along with the towel. Perfect. And to that I'm going to add liquid detergent, this one here. Someone did mention in the comments why I don't use the actual cap of the bottle, which is that one there. That's because this one here, which I usually use, has the measuring capacity levels on it, as you can see there. Clearly marks how much liquid you're putting in basically, so not to overdo it or underdo it. So yeah, that's why I prefer to use this one. I find this one too big as well. But yeah, this one doesn't have a measuring indicator on it, as you can see, and that's why I prefer to use this one. I think better for the drum because it's made out of plastic, but it feels more flexible and not as harsh as this one here. This one's very plasticky, if that's a word, which is very sharp around the edges, so that could damage your drum. I don't know. What it does do, it gives off a very nice light. I can play with this all day. Shall we get on with washing the clothes? I think so. But that's very luminous. Thanks for leaving that comment. Yeah. I'm also going to add powdered detergent to the dispenser drawer. I wouldn't normally put powdered detergent in the dispenser drawer if I've got liquid in the drum, but as the trainers do smell a bit, I'm going to add a bit more to it basically. So okay, one moment. This is very good to freshen your clothes. Lenore freshener beads that goes at the bottom of the drum. I've decided to do on colours today because we haven't done that for a while. I'm going to do pre-wash as well. That's it. I'm going to add Vanish Oxy Action. If everyone's happy with those settings, let's begin. Colour, cycle, pre-wash included. So please come back later for the results. And I think the dressing gown is coming undone, so it's not good, is it? Not a good sign.
Now if you first you don't succeed, step away and then try again, try again, try again.
So as you can hear there, my sneakers, my trainers managed to come out of the dressing gown that I had it wrapped around in. But yeah, another strange thing that happened, I don't think the temperature was selected. When I fitted around with the pre-wash earlier on, I don't think I set the temperature. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out.
Bum bum. Here we go. Yeah. Tell me more. Shaka.
But if you don't first succeed, then step away and try again. Let's see the results. So the test I'm going to do is the smell test, basically, because I'm not sure why the temperature wasn't set. Yeah, could have done with a higher temperature, but it's okay, it's clean. Another thing is they're dry. The clothes are practically nearly dry. So I'm just going to check my towel to see. Yeah, there's no strong fragrance. I think that's to do with the temperature settings, went wrong there. Finally, let's see if these smell nice. Oh gosh. The smell of the trainers are still smelling a bit damp. I mean, you really have to sniff, but I can still smell the damp smell in there, which isn't very nice. So I'm going to have to wash these again on another day, unfortunately. So this has been quite a fail, to say the least. I probably should have put the beads inside here as well. Anyway, that's for next time. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now. But if you first you don't succeed, step away and then try again, try again, try again.